Now, I am Macapella William, Digital Chief Priest and Prince of Macapella Foundation, Worldwide Black Awakening Promotion from the Taplus of Africa. I am here to disseminate the message of the awakening to all blacks in the world, whether you based in the Caribbean, whether you based in Antigua, whether you based in Trinidad and Tobago, whether you based in Jamaica, whether you based in North-South America, wherever you are in the world, I am here to awaken your consciousness for us to value what we have. I am here to wake our brothers in the Caribbean to always celebrate with Macapellian Digital Chief Priest and Prince of Macapellian Foundation Worldwide Black Awakening Promotions, because we are here to advocate African spirituality, African tradition, African culture, African fashion, African food, African ways of life, African music to the diaspora, because it is our duty and our call to project Africa to the world. I am Macapella William, Digital Chief Priest and Prince of Macapellian Foundation Worldwide Black Awakening Promotion, asking Africa, unite and value your own. Thank you.